What up, peeps? It's your girl Nikitrah, and I'm back with another video. So today, guys, we're going to be making some tuna salad. So what you want to do is take 1 can of tuna salad and make sure you crumble it all in one bowl. Here I have some white chopped onions. I'm going to go ahead and spread those across the top of the tuna. What I'll be seasoning with is some Tony's Creole seasoning. And what I like to do is make sure I season my onions and my fish. Next, what we're going to be seasoning with is a little bit of lemon pepper. Also, I'm going to take some cilantro leaves and sprinkle those over the top. You want to be sure to add a boiled egg. It is optional, but for me, it makes it taste that much better. And what you want to do is chop it very fine. You want to take some Miracle Whip, add a big tablespoon, about that much, of your Miracle Whip. You could also use mayonnaise if you would like. Now you want to go in with your sweet relish and add a couple of tablespoons of that. I really don't measure, guys. I always go by eye, and not trying to toot my own horn, but it almost always turns out right. That's what you should be looking like, guys. And then you just mix it all up. It's a mixing game. Mix it. Make sure every piece gets some love. Just mix really, really well. Now here you want to take some lime juice. It is fish, guys. Y'all know how I feel about fish with lemon and lime. So it's a must-have. So now it's just a mixing game. Mix, mix, and mix some more. And after you have mixed till you can't mix anymore, go ahead and add you some black pepper. Now I'm going to go in with my dark brown sugar, baby. You can use white sugar if you would like. You take about that much and just sprinkle it over the top. The sugar just gives it a really nice taste. If you don't add sugar, you'll notice that it's a little bit on the tangy side. And this is just to settle down some of the tanginess. So I'm cutting up a little bit of chives just to make my food look extra special and pretty. And I have my crackers. This is the look, guys. It's about to go down. This is good. Tuna salad made in under 5 minutes. Y'all cannot beat that. It's easy, simple, and filling. Y'all try this. Make it for yourself. Make it for your family. You will love it. Thank you for watching.